My name is Patrick Patricios. I'm the sound designer for the Lotus Evija hypercar. As a music producer, I've worked with artists such as Little Mix, Sia, Britney Spears, Ollie Murs, just to name a few. I've been working in LA for around the last 8 years. I was going back and forth, really splitting my time depending on what projects were being worked on. I started playing drums as a child. That was the sort of first instrument that I picked up. Probably from the age of around 14, 15, I was auditioning for bands, and I kind of got my foot in the door that way. My love affair for Lotus started at an early age. My dad actually showed me the Esprit, and that was the first Lotus that I saw and thought, I need that car. Initially, the projects that I was working on with Lotus were creating custom pieces of music for the brand. The relationship grew really, really quickly. The music I was creating for the brand turned into a phone call from the company saying, how would you like to design the sound for the eh-VIE hypercar? And obviously I was like, I'd absolutely love to do that. Door openings, hazard sounds, seatbelt warning sounds. Basically, I've designed every sound that the car makes. We wanted to create sounds that were recognisably and distinctively Lotus. We took the Type 49 engine sound and slowed it down until it had a similar frequency to the natural forward sound of the Evija. So, in a way, one of Lotus's oldest cars has acted as inspiration for their newest car.